Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Hayden Walsh broke India's century opening stand before rain forced a delay to the third one-day international against the West Indies at the Queen's Park Oval. Having won the toss and electing to bat, Shubman Gill and stand-in captain Shikhar Dhawan shared in a 113-run opening partnership. The partnership was broken by Walsh, who removed Dhawan for 58. Gill got to 51 and Shreyas Iyer 2 when rain forced the players off the field, with India 115 for 1. India leads the three-match series 2-0. And England and Wales will host the 2026 Women's T20 World Cup, with the International Cricket Council announcing 4 women's events. Bangladesh will host their second ICC tournament when they put on the 2024 Women's T20 World Cup. The 50-over World Cup will then take place in India in 2025, with Australia looking to defend their title. A T20 Champions Trophy will be hosted in Sri Lanka in February 2027, subject to them qualifying. It will be the inaugural edition of the Women's ICC Champions Trophy, with 6 teams competing across 16 matches. The 2026 Women's T20 World Cup will take place in England and Wales in June, with 12 teams playing 33 games, an increase from the 10 set to take part in Bangladesh in 2024 and in South Africa in February 2023. And 3 individual medalists from Oregon, including World Championship 200-meter athlete Shericka Jackson, have been named to Jamaica's team to the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham. Jackson, along with 100-meter bronze medalist Elaine Thompson-Hira and triple jump silver medalist Shanika Ricketts, have been named to a strong 47-member team. After picking up an injury in the warm-up for the men's 110-meter hurdles final, national champion Hansa Parchment have also been named to the team, along with Orlando Bennett and Rashid Broadbell, who both failed to make the World Championship final. Javon Francis, who missed the men's 4x400-meter relay final due to injury, has also been named among the quarter milers, which includes Nathan Allen, Akeem Bloomfield, Kareem Bartley, and Javon Powell. Fedric Dakers, who the J3s had hoped to add as a late entry, has also been included, while Kadrian Golson, Natasha Morrison, O'Dane Richards, Rajay Stoner, Romaine Beckford, and Sean D. Thompson are the athletes who were not a part of the World Championship team. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Giovanni, it's back to you.
Thanks so much, Renardo. And that's it indeed for the Midday News. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, have a good afternoon.